First of all, gold H4 time frame. After this vertical drop, price is showing rejection on this previous support level. And technically right now price is below support level. So next downside target can be 1807 to 1786 because that is your next big support level. Because last NFP number have changed everything. Because psychology of all the investor and trader are completely different when this stop was made. Because during that time they were expecting 4.75 terminal rate this year and 50 basis point rate cut this year, but now they are expecting up to 5.25 rate hike and almost there is a no rate cut expectation in this year 2023. So you can see that 50 basis point difference has created $100 bear market in gold price. But I am saying again that under all condition Fed will not go beyond 5.25 basis point. So that market expected trade are already inside the market. So maximum support level can be 1807 for you. But before these two level, 1843 in the middle is a big support level. Because that is 50% retracement of this last wave and there is a gap near that 1843 level. But it is showing big rejection from 1852 psychological level. And this is same story from the same price level. Last year Fed rate hike size was increasing. They did multiple 75 basis point rate hike. Now next trend is rate cut. And if 1843 is your big support level, below that you can buy. Then 1901 is your first big resistance. And above 1901 if price close again, then bullish FOMO will return again. But these two levels are your first big support and resistance. Gold daily time frame and price is showing big rejection on this previous support level 1880 to 1868. You can see price goes inside this support zone or below that level, but it returned back above 1868. So last time it made triple top on a trend line before drop. This time we are again seeing multiple retest on this level because this is your big horizontal support. On daily there is no big support before 1807. So that 1843 from H4 can be your support if price does not hit 1807. And once bottom confirmed by multiple candlestick and news, then target is still $2100 and this will happen this year. And after NFP, the most important news this week is CPI number. Because right now market is pricing up to 5.25 terminal rate And if CPI number comes down, that terminal rate will decrease. And if CPI number comes more than expectation number, then terminal rate will increase. And if they goes to 6% terminal rate, then in that condition it can hit 1807. But all of this thing depends on CPI number. How much high or low CPI number come compared to expectation number, that will drive psychology for gold for entire year 2023. But as a macro trader for gold, your ABC wave count is complete. Price has dropped $100 and RSI is now back to normal level. And for macro trader, these two level 1850 and 1800 were two big support buying zone. And for this correction, either this correction end after CPI number, and if not, then this correction can last up to next FOMC meeting. And weekly time frame, after this triple bottom, it has only one support, 1803. So if it makes support of 1803, then next target will be new all-time high. And monthly time frame, either this month candle or next March month candle will close above 1975, and that will be decided by CPI this week. And all the time frame have different support and resistance, and you can see there is no support before 1617 on monthly time frame, while weekly have 1803, while daily have 1807, and on H4 we have 1843 support level. So all time frame have different support level, and they start with 1843. And if you see Fed FOMC calendar for more detail for gold long-term trend, then only important FOMC meeting are March, June and September FOMC meeting. So in March, Fed will make clear that where will be his terminal rate that he suggests 5.1 in December FOMC meeting. And now market is expecting exact same as he said in December FOMC meeting last year. So there will be no clarity before March FOMC meeting. But during June-July month, gold will be up because of recession panic, and that bottom can become before or after March FOMC meeting. And FOMC member like Fed and Neil Kashkari has made clear that those 500k NFP number does not change their monetary policy statement. And Kashkari also said that one should not overreact to one NFP number. Question is how long they will stay above 500k. But CPI goes up like NFP, then their rate can increase. But if CPI comes lower, then their rate hike will decrease. And nobody will wait for March FOMC meeting. On H1 time frame, your first resistance 1890, then 1901, and these are your support level. And 1843 is big retracement level. But because of CPI this week, you will see big price action, either $50 up or down.